Welcome. In this video, we'll cover how to delete or remove a course from your school community. Whether you want to unpublish it temporarily or permanently delete it, understanding the process is key to managing your content effectively. As of December 2025, Skool offers flexible options for course management. So let's dive in. Skool offers two main ways to remove a course: unpublishing and deleting. Unpublishing hides the course from your members while preserving all the data, like member progress and comments. It's reversible, meaning you can republish it later. Deleting, on the other hand, permanently removes the course and all its associated data from the platform. First, log into your school dashboard using your credentials on the website or mobile app. Next, navigate to the specific course you want to unpublish from your list of courses in the dashboard. Then, go into the course settings by clicking on the course and selecting the Settings option. Look for the Unpublish option in the course settings and select it to hide the course. Confirm your action in the prompt that appears to complete the unpublishing process. The course is now hidden from your members, but all the data is saved and can be recovered if needed. To permanently delete a course on Skool, start by logging into your dashboard. Access your account through the Skool website or mobile app. Next, navigate to your course settings in the dashboard. Locate the specific course you want to delete and access its settings menu. In the course settings, select the Delete Course option. This will initiate the deletion process for your course. Confirm your action when prompted. Skool requires this confirmation step to ensure you intend to delete the course. Note that Skool implements a 30-day review period before the course is fully deleted. This safety measure helps prevent accidental removals of important content. If you need the deletion to happen sooner, you can contact Skool support to potentially expedite the process. Before deleting a course, it's crucial to consider your data. Skool allows you to export your course data, such as through CSV or PDF formats, to comply with data retention laws. Understanding the data lifecycle helps ensure you're prepared. Exporting your course data preserves valuable content and ensures legal compliance with data retention regulations. This helps you avoid losing important course materials or member progress data. Always communicate changes to your community members to avoid confusion. Transparency in your actions helps maintain trust and prevents misunderstandings about course availability. Transparency maintains trust and satisfaction among your community members. It demonstrates respect for their time and investment in your courses, leading to better long-term relationships. Online education is shifting toward flexible content management. Short-form courses are becoming popular, leading to increased unpublishing of outdated material. Skool may integrate AI tools for automated archiving based on engagement metrics in the future. Archiving, rather than deleting, aligns with eco-friendly digital practices to minimize data waste. Let's examine real-world examples of how creators manage their Skool courses. A community focused on yoga instruction faced a pivot in 2024 when they decided to emphasize live interactive sessions over pre-recorded courses. They chose to unpublish 50% of their existing content rather than delete it permanently. This strategic decision allowed them to repurpose the material for new formats, resulting in a remarkable 30% increase in member retention. Another cautionary tale comes from an edtech startup in 2025 that faced financial difficulties after losing their funding. In their haste to shut down operations, they deleted all courses without properly exporting member data first. This mistake resulted in legal challenges and served as a powerful reminder of why creators should always back up important data before proceeding with course deletion. On a more positive note, a marketing influencer in June 2025 made a strategic decision to unpublish an outdated course rather than delete it. After updating the material with current trends and strategies, they republished it successfully. This content refresh strategy brought in 200 new members and showed how unpublishing can be a smart alternative to deletion when content needs modernization. EdTech experts advise archiving over deleting to preserve intellectual property. Regular audits to unpublish low-engagement courses can boost efficiency. Statistics show that most deletions are due to content obsolescence, but unpublishing is far more common, indicating a preference for reversibility. Always communicate deletions to maintain member satisfaction. Thanks for watching.